Hello guys, welcome to Todeh'S Kitchen. On this episode, we're going through how to make a traditional Banga soup. It goes with starch. On this side, you have the stock from the boiled meat. There's the Banga spice ingredient from the Banga. Well, I bought this from Africa store, already processed Banga. This one is the spicy type. You can go to any Africa store, they have the spicy type and the meat type. There's some boiled fish. On this side I have the chicken, turkey, beef and other ingredients over there for the meat. All this has already been boiled. So in the process, we have the Banga sauce already boiling on the stove. Just reduce your stove to medium, let it boil for some time while the meat was boiling, and come back over here. Now I'll start processing or preparing the Banga. First of all, we have to go with this Banga spicy. It's a lot of ingredients here, about 4 or 5 ingredients. I can't make sure the name about. Once you go to any African store, tell them you need the spicy for Banga. Then go give it to you. All you need to do is just mix them together, blend them. On this over here, you have the crayfish and the mangi cube or mangi bowling. Everything goes inside. So first of all, what you need to do, pick up the crayfish, add the crayfish to the processed Banga already on top of the stove that is boiling. Let's take, we will pick up the sauce. There's the Banga ingredient. It gives you a nice flavor. Once it's done, it goes in, not just all, let's put a little of it. Then we come with it. Ingredient from the Banga. This is going to give a good flavor also. Just put them in about 4 or 5 pieces. But you're not going to eat that, you're going to bring it out once it's done. You just to give it a flavor. Yeah, the next ingredient is going to go with the mangi. Just put a little bit of your mangi. I have the powder mangi, this is not the cube. Then a little bit of salt to taste. Here we go with the stock you used to boil your meat or the juice. Put it in little by little while you turn on the Banga on top of your stove. Put in the stock little by little. It's almost, I can smell the flavor. Then, now it comes to your meat. This is baked chicken, some boiled turkey, beef, gizzard, then all goes inside the pot. Then cover. You cover while you increase your gas or stove to the medium before the high. Then let's cook for about 20 minutes before finally you put the fish. Don't put the fish at this time, because once you put the fish, everything is going to be dissolved inside. So the fish is going to be the last to come in. So let it boil for about 20 minutes before you add the fish. Okay guys, this banga is already almost ready, but it's still boiling. At the end of 20 minutes, you're going to see it goes with starch, pounded yam or amala, which is traditional Nigerian food. Starch, pounded yam or amala. So guys, please subscribe to my channel, Todeh'S Kitchen on YouTube. You're going to learn a lot of things, how to cook fried rice, jollof rice, fried egusi, pepper soup, barbecue, and the rest. Subscribe to my channel. You will be happy. To the bachelors around the world, please subscribe. You go love it, your girlfriend or your wife. Surprise them when they come from work. Oh, I can make it. Oh, really? You did this or you bought it? Honey, I made it. Surprise your wife. Subscribe to my channel. Thank you for subscribing, and God bless you.